Story tonight, a measles outbreak underway in Maryland, coming on the first day of school for tens of thousands of local kids. And as medical officials warn, record numbers of families opting out of routine vaccinations for preventable diseases. Welcome into the news at 11, everyone. I'm Rick Ritter, and we have been tracking those warnings for weeks now. More than 25 years after measles was declared eliminated from the U.S., the once common childhood disease has come roaring back in a huge way. So last year, only 92.5% of kindergartners both got MMR shots, below what is needed for herd immunity, and exemptions were the highest that the CDC has reported. Measles cases in the U.S. have already gone past the total recorded all of last year. WJZ live at 11 o'clock tonight. Our Drew Unks has been following this story. And Drew, you have more on what medical experts are saying tonight as kids head back to the classroom.
Yeah, to be clear, the Maryland Department of Health says that there is no evidence right now of widespread community spread of this virus. And most of the cases that they have come across have been household contacts. However, with school coming back and thousands of kids returning to the classroom, we talked with people in Carroll County who say they're concerned.
It's crazy with all these new outbreaks these days, and it's just like getting out of hand.
As of Monday, there have been 31 confirmed measles cases in Maryland, which might not seem like a lot, but health experts say 27 of those cases have been reported since July 15th, and all 27 of those cases were found in people who were not vaccinated.
People who are unvaccinated who travel to areas where measles is more common are more likely to get the disease and bring it back and spread it to other people. And people who are unvaccinated are also more likely to catch the disease from people they're exposed to.
The three counties where they are seeing the most cases are St. Mary's County, Carroll County, and Cecil County. Those are the places where the outbreak has been declared.
I'd encourage people not to panic, to know that there is an intervention that works against the contraction of measles, but to, certainly to seek that intervention, because measles is not, just a benign illness, and it is associated with a variety of complications.
According to health experts, 1 in 5 kids infected with the virus end up in the hospital. And while the risk to people who are vaccinated is extremely low, with kids headed back to class, some people in Carroll County are concerned.
Anything that's a risk to any kids or any adults, of course they should be worried about it, and there's stuff that they should look out for.
And if you are unvaccinated or worried about your status, your vaccination status, the Maryland Department of Health has resources posted to help you find places to get the vaccine or check your status. We can link you there on our website, WJZ.com. On your corner tonight for WJZ, I'm Drew Ungst.
And Drew, Megan, great coverage tonight. Thank you. Well,